This is the movement, time to take a stand. Time to put this movement in our own hands. Time to live a better life, pursuing everything in sight. Nothing in this world can stop us, we can get through any fight. So this is the movement. The wait is over, the movement is here. Come on, let's get it started, put this movement in gear. Time to live a better life, but let's start with better days, better nights. Gotta change what we do in every way. Now you can say you making moves, but that don't prove nothing. Let's make it happen, take this action in our hands and do something. Yo, is you down to ride? Shit, I'm doing it for my people's more pride till I die. We waited this long to get recognition. Now even Clint Eastwood giving us attention. It took Hollywood to make a dumbass movie, but most of these Americans to know who the Monks be. But since they listen now, let's take advantage of that. We came a long way, we can't forget that fact. So let's take it to another level. Let these motherfuckers know that we ain't going nowhere. It's time for us to pay the road. This is the movement, time to take a stand. Time to put this movement in our own hands. Time to live a better life, pursuing everything in sight. Nothing in this world can stop us, we can get through any fight. So put your hands up, up to the sky. No matter how we fall, man, we always tend to rise higher than before, trying to open up doors. I know for my people, so I'm doing this for. This is the movement. Let's go and save the ones overseas, but I see we can't even help the youth in our community. Man, our future is these young Hmong Americans, so we gotta communicate and put away the arrogance. Gotta help one another, stop killing each other. There's only 18 clans, so we must be brothers in one way. Only together we can rise and forever keep this Hmong culture alive. And despite of all the hate I'm getting from my own kind, I still ride for them, so you could say I got too much pride. And pride is all it takes to feel this movement. If you're feeling what I'm feeling, then I know that we can do this. My great-grandpa knew he was a general, so you can say it's in my blood to help my people. If my music motivates you, then my mission is accomplished. Man, this movement wouldn't be if it wasn't for y'all accomplishments. This is the movement, time to take a stand. Time to put this movement in our own hands. Time to live a better life, pursuing everything in sight. Nothing in this world can stop us, we can get through any fight. So put your hands up to the sky. No matter how we fall, man, we always tend to rise higher than before, trying to open up doors. I know for my people, so I'm doing this for. This is the point of the song, is to motivate my peoples. Let them know even though we different, we all equal. So don't be afraid to pursue your dreams. If you push hard enough, then you will succeed. And this movement here is for all of us. It doesn't start or end with me, I just wanted to set it off so y'all can take it to where it needs to be. Man, I'm passing this to you so you can take the lead. Cause when you make it, I make it, it's as simple as that. So many ways that this can end, but it started with the rap. Words are my choice of weapon when it comes time to attack. Let's keep going with this movement, watch how the world reacts. Been here for almost 40 years, till they don't know who we are. Yeah, the mystery race is kind of bizarre. No home overseas, so let's make one here. Time for all of us to come together and prepare. This is the movement, time to take a stand. Time to put this movement in our own hands. Time to live a better life, pursuing everything in sight. Nothing in this world can stop us, we can get through any fight. So put your hands up to the sky. No matter how we fall, man, we always tend to rise higher than before, trying to open up doors. I know for my people, so I'm doing this for. This is the movement.